tonight, I the Lord will make it happen. Message God's timing is perfect. It doesn't matter the process, but God's timing is perfect. Look at your neighbor and say unto her or him, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. So I'm not going to dwell much this morning on my sermon because it's too long, but I will only take 4 things. I will take only 4 things and sit down. Bible there's a time for everything. For the Mushumayeli, Mushumayeli, or chapter 3, verse 1. Mushumayeli.
Mushumayeli chapter 3. Konke kunesikhathi sakho. Yonke indaba inomzuzu wayo phansi kwezulu. Kukhona isikhathi sokuzalwa nesikhathi sokufa. Isikhathi sokutshala nesikhathi sokusiphula okutshaliweyo. Isikhathi sokubulala nesikhathi sokuphilisa. Isikhathi sokudiliza nesikhathi sokwakha. Isikhathi sokukhala nesikhathi sokuhleka.
Siyabonga mama. Siyabonga. Bazalwane, the timing of God is perfect. And your timing, I compare with the timing of God. Because your timing might be different to what God has in store for you. It is very important. Very important. The Bible for every season there's a time. Abantu engihlala ngiyanabo masilanda isituba ekuseni. Hlale ngenza le illustration ukuthi kukhona isikhathi sokuzalwa okuyisikhathi esithanda wonke umuntu. When there's time sokuzalwa, all of us we love that. When there's a baby, siyakuthanda lokho. Isikhathi sani sokuzalwa. But before kuba khona isikhathi sokuzalwa, kuba khona isikhathi se preparation. You prepare before anything yenzakala emhlabeni. Before anything izalwa, there is a time of preparation. Before kuba ne degree, there was a time of preparation. Before kuba ne diploma, there was a time of preparation. Before kuba ne certificate, there was a time of preparation. Anything oyenzayo, there must be a preparation. And that is where a lot of people give up during the time of preparation. Pregnancy, it is a time of preparation. A mother is being prepared to bond with the baby. The couple is being prepared to take care of the baby while she is still in the mother's womb. Now it's very important, bazalwane, ukuthi umntwana makavela, the parent must bond with the child. So those who have studied about babies, they know ukuthi umzali uyaconnecta nomntwana. Even the father connects with the baby. It's very important. The journey is 9 months, but believe me, 9 months is too long for a baby to be born, because someone that is pregnant kunama stages akumele awandlule. Abanye ama pregnancy awafani bazalwane, abanye baba happy, abanye nje ebusweni yababona ukuthi no hayi uchintshile, abanye inyawo ziyadumba, abanye bazivusa ebusuku bathi ukhalela ibiltong. You can't even wait for ekuseni, uyifuna manje uzovuka uhamba, ubuya ufuna amanzi, hayi la wasendlini ufuna amanzi athizeni uhambe wafuna. So my wife has been pregnant so many times, and I can tell you a story about all of these kids when she was pregnant, bazalwane. So some of them mangibabona bezizinto abazenzayo bangikhumbuza their mother when she was pregnant. So now that was a time of preparation. And I mean, as a father, I gave support. It's very important in the times of preparation, over the support structure. When you pursue a degree, Motomusha, have friends or study group, people who will help you so that you will get that degree. It's very important during the time of preparation not to waste any minute, not to waste any second, because once you waste your time while you are preparing yourself, when exam time comes, because we cannot start with an exam. That is why esikoleni kulesikhathi abothisha basibiza ukuthi i-classwork. Thisha akafika nje nge-exam angakuphanga i-classwork. Abothisha banama-period abanikeza wona. They cannot come ngelanga lokuqala nje bathi it's exam time. That is suicidal. So now, when the teacher is in front of you, it is a preparation time. So iBhayibheli lithi bazalwane isikhathi sokuzalwa sibalekile naso. There's a time to be born. And the mawuzalwa, you are the only one there who is crying. When you cry, it is a sign that I am here. You are introducing yourself that I am alive. A child when is born, but I think about why I'm crying, because you have to cry to introduce yourself. Same corner. Same corner. Ngenhlanhla laba bonke bakhalile bazalwane, bakhala. Kanti enhle kabi leyo bazalwane. And mabakhala, you see the faces of those who are in the labor ward. They are smiling, they are happy. I don't know if you have ever been in a labor ward and look at those who are working there. Umntwana makavela aphila bayajabula. Bajabula the couple. I don't know ukuthi bazalwane laba bantu uNkulunkulu bakhethe kanjani. In the 4 pregnancies that we have encountered bazalwane, I have seen those who are helping there bajabula nathi. Ngamanye amagama, when you achieve your goal, people will be happy with you, like the church was happy with you when you came here and graduate. But during the preparation time, we were not there with you. Some of us may say we were with you in the spirit. Akufuneki spirit lapha, akufuneki ingqondo ufunde. You must apply your mind. You must apply your heart. You must work hard. So preparation time bazalwane isikhathi lapho khona ugudluzeka khona. But basozele basekhona ama results siyajabula sisonke. Nasemhlabeni kunjalo umuntu makavela siyajabula. Bese kuba khona isikhathi sokuphila lesi thina sikuso. Isikhathi sokuphila isikhathi sokuachieve. During this time, all of us, God has given us 24 hours, 7 days. It's time to do what, Bazalwane? To work hard. It's kind of pillar. Some of them are millionaires. Some of them are centenarians. Achieve nothing in the 7 days and 24 hours that God has given us. It means there was a preparation time. They prepared themselves well. No one was born a millionaire. No one was born poor. Yathula. No one was born poor. It's in a family that is poor when you are not poor. Because your journey is about to begin. Your journey is about to begin. Even if you're born in a rich family, you are not rich. Because your journey is about to begin. So now, God has given us, each and every one of us, in Mondo, to work, bazalwane. We have to work. Masihlezi bazohamba abantu bayevasithi babuye usahleli. Mina when I went to school bazalwane, abantu bathi kunoba koyi-1 angisakhumbuli ukuthi ubaba ubani wathi kimi hamba mawubuya lamandla bona uzobuya une-qualification uyobathola manje. And indeed bazalwane, mawungaqala manje noma una-60 uthi uyofunda, after 6 years uzoba une-qualification. I'm telling you, if you don't start, nothing will happen. Mawuhleli nje uzoshaya izandla every day. It is not, bazalwane, I think it is nice when they clap hands for you. Kuhle bazalwane, when they clap hands for you. Kunini ushayela abantu izandla, ushayele nawe izandla. Preparation time. Yes, a season of preparation is a season of planting. Zandi is a season where we plant. You guys know what is preparation. During the, what do you call that thing? Your concert, there was a season of preparation where you were prepared. Fortunately enough, I came to visit you while you were preparing. Some of the songs that you're preparing, when you are kind of party food, is preparation time. It's preparation time, so now, when it's planting time, amabhunu ayawuprepare umhlaba. Niyazi abayebekho emaplazini belima, awuveli nje bazalwane ufake imbewu ungazange uprepare umhlaba. Ukuthi bakudlula lapha bazalwane ngebhetani ngibona belungu balima ngamatrekera bagubha bahambe. After a few weeks ngibona sekunombila sowuvela. But before there was a preparation time. So now I was fortunate enough to travel with someone who is a farmer. He will take me through what we are doing now. What they are doing now, it is preparation time. And a few weeks or few months later, uzokutshela ukuthi lo mbila lo tshalela angeke kube right because angitshela ama reasons. Mina ngibona umbila mina ngithi harvest time is coming. Athi yeah, but this is a waste. Millions down the drain. Because when it's planting time, we are all preparing for harvest time. We are preparing, but there will never be a harvest without preparation. There will never be a harvest without planting. Preparation is the key. You need to prepare so that when you come here, mawufaka nejazi lakho ukhumbula isacrifice yokungalali. Ngicela ufundise usibuka last. Uthi kimi ake lokushaka WhatsApp. Ngiphendule lokuya maseku after a few days njalo ke mina bayazi abantu abangaziyo vela ba WhatsApp bayangifonela. So manje ngekuNkulunkulu la ile. I see when is your turnaround time. Ithi mina mfundisi. Asesikolweni vele benginezo late. Examine ama assignment. Mina bengisubmit ngelanga lokugcina abazalwane assignment. Khuleka laba abasubmit ecala bayabaphindisa mina bebangiphindisa ngaze ngaphinda assignment. Angaze ngaphinda assignment. Labo early It's good to be early to prepare your things. But me, on the last day, that's when you think, you have compute or hard copy. I'm going to get the lecture. I say, I'm back. I'm busy. I'm as far as about, there are those who do their things early. But if you do your things early, there's a proper. Always it was a late it's cut. Delivering is cut. But it's not late actually. Because the last day I submit. So I'm not late. So now, it's very important to prepare for harvest time. Because the harvest time will come. When harvest time comes, what will you do? If you didn't plant, what will you do? Now, let's take it to our verse. Let's take Bible. What is cutting some salon? It's cutting is time to walk on. It's cutting some salon. It brings excitement. When you step into a new property, it brings what? Excitement. When you go into a new job, it gives you excitement. When you open your new shoes, your new shoe, uvule ibhokisi, uzilinganise. Umnandi bazalwane. Waze bathi yo. Yes, bazalwane, yonke into entsha empilweni iba mnandi bazalwane. Prepare so that you will. People who prepare, they succeed. People who prepare, they always succeed. That's a classini. Abomemna abahlelile bayabaza abantwana ukuthi lo une potential na uyadlala. Yazi kunabazalwane abagqolela esontweni bane potential. They don't realize how powerful they are. Mina ngiyazi mina abanye abantu ngashuma into ehambayo la. Bakalikho serious. Abanye benu bazalwane ningenza izinto abantu bathi ubathatha abazalwane. But you don't recognize what God has given you. You don't take serious. You don't polish what God has given you. The talent that God has given you. You don't take it serious. You don't. The education ukuze uye phezulu. Wena uza ngefaith. Why now? Ufuna ukuthola qualification ngefaith wena. Uyoze umthuku uNkulunkulu yakutshela. Hamba ufunda. Abanye abafundi nokuthi uyeyunisa. Bafuna nje ube ne-certificate esithize. Uhluleka nokwenza i-certificate esithize. Mina la i-faith mission bazwane ngiphelele. Ngiphelele mina. Akunanto i-faith mission enganayo. Ngiphelele. Bakuthiwa kunento efuneka ngiyayilanda. Ngiyayilanda bazalwane. Ngiyayilanda. This is my field of work. I must arm myself. This is my field of work. I must arm myself. I have to. Can you imagine, South Africa, Mount Mwaba made up open a theological qualification. Mangaba umthetho eSouth Africa. Mangaba umthetho efaith mission ukuthi uma phambi kwesidumbu mele ube ne ubani ozogqaba eSouth Africa. Bani? Ngaba abantu abayi-20 every week. Because people, they don't want to improve themselves. Don't want to improve themselves. Afika umuntu emsebenzini akudluli. Abuze wena ukuthi umfuthu umsebenzi. Abuze akuve kubuhlungu futhi umuntu umsebenzi. I-position boyifuna. Bavela bakhombe wena. Now, singaqeda. I'm left with 5 minutes. a season, and there's a season of growth. You know, when you improve yourself, when you study, when you study, you are growing, you are improving yourself. Nangenza abantu abasha usifundela wena mawufunda i-education yezokuvula uNkulunkulu uzoyivula iminyango. uNkulunkulu iminyango wena uzoyivula bese bathi minimum qualification. Cabanga uNkulunkulu sekayivulile iminyango. Cabanga sekakuvulela uNkulunkulu iminyango bathi minimum qualification. I visited the chamber last night on the Ilan. I visited the Baba niggas on my laptop. No, I'm a tablets. Also, half of us, we don't know how to use those laptops. I was like, these guys are not serious. Are not serious. Come on, guys. There's no way we can imagine or won't imagine. Imagine. Imagine about AI, you should have done. Kushuthi uyadlala awubona umhlaba ukuthi yaphi manje kushuthi awukho serious impela nje awukho serious nje awukho serious if awukwazi nje wafuna knowledge nge-AI ukuhlale phansi nekufuna into amakhetho. There's no way ngelinye ilanga noshumayela robot la kube AI netshumayela that's where the man is going. There's a lot of robots in mind. You must know all these things. Who name what the man is a medal? That's life and so on. Since when the man will come. So my food that we have cooled this away now. I got husband. I'm not so cool. I'm not even king. I'm not villa. As on the TV, and the switch off the TV or the power. Hey, Jana, what's your area? As on not. Makes excuse. And now. All of you like a anti against the US dollar. The Woods. Years later, caught up with me. Yeah, it don't have a right food and lay. You must know what is happening, Mother. You must know, because we are cool. Then no, you have more food. You are teaching your mind to grow. When you read, you are teaching your mind to grow. Now we are living in a time where people have access to a lot of information. Then you want to come here and talk to us on the information. Those are my feet. I need young people who will be confident in knowing the word. I need young people who will be confident with education. You must know education. You must start. If God has given you in order, you will do food. How will you swallow your food? Don't have any excuses. Was I going to be honest with you? Every time, especially my student, I am university. I am not well in my spirit. Sneakers are about 1,000 rand. I am not well. Because after that, we don't know what they have done. We don't know. Yet we expect them to come back. One or two. See the same one that's an Ebenezer. When I see a tata, see the harvest calling your food. Similar as a pet. As an ant is called. My husband, you look at this. What's the sentence? What's the sentence? angazi nakuthola then I think nokuthi wena degrading it all. Before harvest time, kumele usikhulise. I'll harvest into yakhulanga ingavuthwanga. Bene uma into masoye harvesta umbila masoyo iluka harvesta ngesizulu. Ukufuna webuze bayi usiyapha. Ukufuna ilikika suku Ukotula, yaza kwempila ilwazi ukotula. Okay, kende kusile kwa sababu. Ukotula. Ikasema sote. Au hata ukotula. Watu kuone. Wabona kuone anyimone koma simu. Hadi nakho ukotula. Ukotsiba inakho ukotula. Because I want to put it in, it's ready to go cooler. Also, one of them don't be the same type of something. Bazarani, now tell me that it. In the matter of the young lady, I can't put up in the now. When I talk about how to do it, young people put up in the now. When I want to move foot, you have put happily now. And then you enjoy yourself. Umna look food about the one. So it's kind of something about to baffle. Think I claim how much. Start some food now. Start some food now speaking. So go to food. About the sense of food now. Let me say what it's doing. Come on now, come on, church. Send us off for one sacrifice. It's about time for you. It's harvest time. When is harvest time? The income must have no good. Let it count. The party, no, I say, let it go. When is harvest time, Master One? For the need to pay at the end of us. Also. Now, what I must not say. But I'm don't look for Somebody down, you know, I'm not. Or was we find it down in there. I didn't go. Also. If Gaon was around, if Gaon, but we have this time. We are swagging away our farmer, the right time. We are swagging. It's called. Then we harvest time. Our fact. Then I usually do talk. As I do. Then I never found this way far about food. I never show them my water. That's a quarter of a man charge on a mountain. By far, our spouse would back a man charge on a man. We don't know. But when is harvest time? We have to go. Let's do. It's harvest time. It's harvest time. It's harvest time. My brother, no one can tell me what to do. It's harvest time. No one can stop me. I work hard. I'm about to receive my crown. The day has come for me to receive my crown. My crown is waiting for me. I am coming to receive my crown. And I walk slow. I walk slow. I'm feeling your cold. I'm also inside your you deserve to wear this thing. Don't be carrying our child. We are deserve a billionaire hoodie. Just walk towards just walk to the vice chancellor. But this I don't want. The vice chancellor. Just go to the vice chancellor and receive the parents. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. What's the thing I'm going right here? I have worked hard. And Master Lord, my man, when they need town, they don't need to the rector. They need to their crowd. To say, I have worked hard. It's time to work hard. It's time. And the Bible says, as I close, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. God bless you.
bazalwane. Hey.